I could simplify the top by factoring. So let me just go ahead and do that. Top is going to be 1 over a squared minus 3a plus 2. And go ahead and factor that. What is that going to factor to?
A minus 2 times a plus 1.
Right. Be careful, though. You want to keep it as a fraction. So it's 1 over a minus 2 times a minus 1. So I didn't have to add or subtract the top. I just had to factor the top. That's the top. Now let's simplify the bottom. Now notice I'm using my markers to cover that up. You should use your hand. It might help you organize your work a little bit. Cover up the top so that you can just focus on the bottom. And rewrite it. 3 over a minus 2 minus 2 over a minus 1. Okay, so I need to combine these fractions. What do I need to combine them? What do you always need to combine fractions? Common denominator, to add or to subtract. What is my common denominator going to be in this case? Now, this was some of the work we did on Tuesday. Yeah, so notice the bottom of each one is a binomial, right? So my common denominator is going to be, well, this binomial has to be in the denominator, but also this one will also have to be. So my common denominator, remember on Tuesday I was writing it this way, I was identifying my LCD is going to be a minus 2 times a minus 1. So what am I going to do to my first fraction to get a denominator like that? I've got the a minus 2 already. I need to do what? Yeah, put in the a minus 1 by multiplying, right? So we'll multiply a minus 1, but remember, whatever I do to the bottom, I also have to do to the top. Now I'm going to subtract. I'm going to have 2 over an a minus 1, just rewriting what I already have. But then I look, what is it I need to have on my denominator? The a minus 2. I'm multiplying the second fraction by a minus 2 over a minus 2. Everybody okay for now? This is basically what we did on Tuesday. Yeah, now to continue, here I do have to distribute because I want to be able to combine like terms. And the only way that I'm going to be able to combine like terms is if I distribute here. So I'm going to have 3a minus 3 all over my a minus 2 times a minus 1 minus, now I'm going to have 2a minus 4 all over my a minus 2 times a minus 1. I distributed the tops or the numerators for both of these guys. Now to combine like terms, remember we talked about when you want to subtract these, I'm going to have 3a minus 3. This is this guy. Minus. Now when I subtract this guy, what do I need to remember to do? Distribute the negative. Or one way to help you remember to do that is by just remember to put this in parentheses. Because I'm going to subtract the entire thing. So 2a minus 4. And then all this is going to be over a minus 2 times a minus 1. And let's see if I can squeeze it in here on the bottom. When I distribute the negative and combine my like terms, I have a 3a minus 2a. That leaves me with what? An a. Now I have a negative 3 minus a negative 4. Right, so it's a negative 3. The minus a negative 4 becomes a plus 4. So negative 3 plus 4 is a plus 1. Plus 1 on top, a plus 1 on top, over a minus 2 times a minus 1. So it's a little bit of work, okay, but it's what we did on Tuesday. So there's my bottom, there's my top. Now to continue going back to the original problem, I want to do the top divided by the bottom. 1 over a minus 2 times a minus 1. Here I'm going to go ahead and take the extra step and we'll divide by this guy. A plus 1 over a minus 2 times a minus 1. Now I want to rewrite it as a multiplication problem. Times a minus 2 times a minus 1 all over a plus 1. Almost done. This complex looking thing simplifies to what? Not 1. The a minus 2's cancel. A minus 1's will cancel. What do I have left? 1 over a plus 1.